Alright, this is a short video of a stylus that came off my Magnavox console, and this is the old one. And what I did is I went to this magnifier here, little microscope, and I want you to see what this thing looks like. This is the old one. That's the one I'm going to show you first. So here it is. It's pretty nasty. I'm not sure what all that stuff's on there. It looks like rust, but maybe not. These are different angles, and I tried my best to keep it clear, but I did clean it up, and this is what it looks like cleaned up with a brush. So that could have been just dirty dust, nasty red dust. Don't know what that is for sure. But here is a brand new needle. Now, I have to say that the new needle doesn't sound that much better than the old one. So the old one's not really worn out. It's just dirty. So again, it looks a lot better, but would I go out and buy a new one again? I'm not sure, because the old one worked pretty well. So I'm going to keep them both and just have one for backup. Thanks for watching. Again, using a microscope. That's what a needle looks like under a microscope. Please subscribe. Thanks.